Welcome everybody back to my channel. Today I'll be working on painting flowers and sharing the secrets to painting this. In this demo I'll actually work on two flowers, one with a tighter approach, the other with a slightly looser style. Before we begin this painting process, let me introduce you to a crucial concept, glazes. The first glaze focuses on capturing the local color of the flower. Imagine everything a bit blurry, ignore the shadow details and zero in on the vibrant hues. Once the initial local color glaze is applied and dried, we'll move on to the shadow shapes for subsequent layers. Remember to play with warm and cool colors in these layers, and pay attention to balancing both soft and hard edges here. Once the shadow layers are in place, you can layer on darker shades or brighter colors where you need. You can see over here on my spread, I have something I painted that I'm not too happy about. Perhaps by painting these flowers over the painting, I can redeem myself. When sketching the flower bud, outline the general shape first, followed by capturing the intricate shadow shapes. This will be the procedure for our painting. Look at the reference I've made on the left. When applying the first glaze, don't get bogged down by shadow details. Layer a thin glaze of visible local colors. Make sure that you do this when the wash is still wet. That way you can create a seamless transition between the various local colors that you have identified. Keep your focus on documenting colors, not shadows. It's wise to avoid too many cool colors in the first glaze. Save them for subsequent layers. Once the initial glaze dries, move on to depicting shadow shapes. Integrate warm and cool temperature within each of these shadow glazes as well. Don't forget to pay attention to the edges from reference. Once shadow layers dry, check for lighter shadows that may require glazes of warm or cool colors for added volume. Now onto the looser flower. In this case, accuracy in shadow shape takes a backseat to achieve that free-flowing look. Still, we'll maintain a tight rendering. Apply a variegated wash for the initial glaze, documenting only the local colors you can identify. You don't have to be exact. Focus on identifying hue and temperature changes. For subsequent shadow layers, generalize the shapes with a looser approach, integrating warm and cool colors in the same wet glaze. So there you have it. I hope this tutorial was useful or helpful. It took some time to put this together, so a like or subscription will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Bye!